Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Students, today we are going to discuss about an interesting topic, and that is mirror formula and magnification. So before going on the topic, let's understand how to denote the mirror formula. First of all, can you see here, there's a concave mirror. Yes, exactly. AB represents the object and A dash B dash represents the image. So let's understand the sign conventions. First of all, if I'm considering any measurement along the direction of the light, then it is considered as positive direction. And suppose if I'm considering any length opposite to the direction of the light, then it is considered as negative distance. Now, if you will consider this condition, that if the object is going up, or if you are measuring the length of the object from top to bottom, then it is considered as positive, whereas this condition will be considered as negative. So these are the basic sign conventions. Now let's understand the distances of the object and the image. So first of all, U is nothing but the distance of the object from the mirror. Then V, the distance of the image from the mirror, and the last one will be your focal length. Okay, or it is also called as the focus. So these are nothing but the three important quantities on which the mirror formula is dependent, and because of that the mirror formula can be given as 1 upon V plus 1 upon U, it is equals to 1 upon F, where V is the distance of the image from the mirror, U is the distance of the object from the mirror, and F is nothing but the focal length. Exactly. Now students, when you will consider this particular scenario, you must consider that the sign convention should be applied while using the values in the numericals.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.